hey, next time we see the Cutwater, it'll be at our marina. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, post notifications now. We'll catch you next video. He's decided to back it under.
Okay, perfect.
I think. I don't know. I see backup lights, and it's coming this way.
Fine.
And it's coming this way.
You want to maybe get on that side? Just for a guide.
What? Oh yeah, yeah.
It's the other truck.
That was not too bad 3 weeks ago. Okay, it's in, John. It's in. You gotta go see his little dog. Yeah, it's in. We're not going all the way in right now anyhow. We'll blow it in the morning. We're leaving it here. It's too late. I don't want to... That's good. Is that floating? Is it floating?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's almost got all of it.
You want,
So,
why don't we let it down till
yeah,
it floats and then go back up?
Let it down till it floats on its own, then grab it again. All right, that's it.
Okay, now bring it up about a
Little
4
bit.
inches.
Little bit.
Little more. Little more.
Little more.
There you go. I think it's solid, huh?
Yeah. So now I just want.